The second component, the second term is search volume. We analyze the search volume of a product, that what is the search volume, what is search volume of this product all the time and all the year, how it has performed, how many buyers has searched this product throughout the year. So what we get from this search volume, it tells us that how much demand for this product is all the time. Is it there a lot of demand in just December and November in Xmas, or it is a evergreen product like selling all the time in every month the same. So the search volume tells us about the product consistency, that how much it has demand in the buyers. So for that reason we analyze the search volume of a product. It's really important. If you have selected a product which is having zero search volume, so there is no benefit to sell that product and list that product, because it won't be sold, as no one is searching for such a product. So there is no sale, it means. So let's check on Amazon. Okay guys, so we are on the Amazon page and I am using this Helium 10 tool, and here it is showing me that the search volume is just 31. Hey, it's really devastating that 31 search volume is really flop. So let's check it. That I will click here on the graph, and so I have clicked the graph and it has opened a separate window in front of me. So here it is showing me the 30 days search volume for this keyword garlic peel, right? And let me check 90 days and 1 year, and now all the time. Okay, so all the time it has, at the highest rate it has just went to 697. So here we check the search volume. Okay, we can check here each month search volume for this specific keyword, this particular keyword. So the search volume is really low, but you can see here the revenue is still so much, like $11,000 or $12,000. So I said that if there is no search volume, so there will be no sales, but they are selling how much? 1,300. So you need to check basically the search volume of the main keyword. So main keyword for this particular product is not garlic peel. We need to check and find the main keyword for this garlic peel, and for that garlic peel, so the main keyword, I think so it's garlic peeler, I think. Yeah, so I will just type here garlic peeler, right? Yeah, Amazon is suggesting here as well. Let me check now. I am discussing each and everything in depth. I just want to make you all guys understand each of the thing that we analyze, the term that we analyze, that what's the reason behind, and basically what are the problems a newbie face. Like if I wouldn't have told that garlic peel and garlic peeler difference, that this is the main keyword difference, so I think in the start no newbie might have understood this. So right now we are on the main keyword, and you can see the search volume for this main keyword. It's 21,499. Awesome. So it's really a good search volume, right? So we can check here for 1 year. It has not came down, like it's almost all the time above 10,000, right? For all the time if we check, so we can say it's not coming down than 5,000 in all the time. It's from 2019 the search volume is the same, coming up and up. So it's really a good search volume, right? So for this reason we check if there for the main keyword there wouldn't have been this much search volume, so you should not expect this much sales. As much the search volume is there, so it indicates that there will be good sales.